Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down a question a lot of beginners and creators ask. N8n versus Zapier. Which one is actually better? Let's keep it simple. First, Zapier. Zapier is like the plug-and-play automation tool. You don't need coding skills. Just pick apps, connect them, and boom, your workflow is ready. It supports thousands of apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, and more. So if you want something fast, easy, and reliable, Zapier is perfect. But here's the catch. Zapier can get expensive. The more tasks you run, the more you pay. And customization, it's a bit limited. Now let's talk about n8n. n8n is powerful, like developer-level powerful. It's open source, which means you can even host it yourself for free. You get full control, advanced workflows, and way more flexibility than Zapier. You can create complex automations, use custom logic, and even write code inside workflows. Sounds awesome, right? But it's not beginner-friendly. If you're new, n8n might feel confusing at first. So which one is better? If you're a beginner, or you just want quick automation without headaches, go with Zapier. If you want full control, lower cost in the long run, and powerful automation, n8n is the winner. In simple words, Zapier equals easy but paid. n8n, powerful but needs learning. At the end of the day, the best tool depends on you, your skill level, your budget, and your goals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,